What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and today we have Shailene Woodley, and she's gonna allow me to shave her head. No, this is not her, but I think, doesn't she look a lot like her? She's so beautiful here. This is Sabrina, and we're gonna be doing something that's kind of extreme, where Sabrina used to literally just shave this to like a #1 and just get rid of all this hair, which I think is really, really cool. And I said, you know what, let's do something where we take this down really short and kind of fade it up and taper it so it looks a little bit more soft in through here, and something so that if she did want to kind of grow it out at some point, it would just really look pretty, you know? So we're gonna focus on this area throughout the video right in through here. So I'm ready to go. Let's get started. All right, so I am done with Sabrina's hair, and I just want to break down kind of what I did. So as you saw before, what she had, it was just all grown out. And what I want to do is create a really, really soft taper, kind of working up into here and extending up into this area. So, you know, I went from a 1 and then like open up the guard, close it, went all the way up to a #6. This is what I use into here is this #6 guard. So this is probably about, I'd say, 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches or so, and then I worked this down. Now, there's a number of things that I thought about. Was like, you know, she used to just shave this all off completely to like a #1, and I said, well, if you're trying to grow this out, let's create something where it's like a little bit, you know, softer and a little, has a nicer taper going in instead of just getting rid of it. And then what I did into this area, which is really unique, is I kind of worked this back into an angle so that this is much, much softer, as you can see through here. I didn't just shave this off. So it actually looks like it kind of blends in through all of this, but because of the way I cut this on a softer angle in through here, it actually really flows in a little bit nicely, and it kind of follows the head shape. And then I went in with the thinning shears, which is really key to just kind of soften this area right in through here. Let's look straight ahead here, and look how beautiful she looks. She looks absolutely stunning. Great, so even from the front here, see, it looks really, really pretty, much softer than if I were just gonna shave this all the way with like a #1. So I think this is something that, if you're looking to do something edgy and creative, you still can create a nice tapered look in through here. And then obviously look how pretty this looks. Let's look straight ahead to the camera. She can't stop looking at herself into the monitor. She's obsessed, she's obsessed. And then, you know, if she wants to flip her hair over, do you ever flip your hair around? Let's see you do it. Let's see you flip the hair flip. Whoa, there we go. I wish I could flip my head like that. Yeah, awesome. So even though, you know, she wants to do that, so you see how it still looks a little bit softer in through here? You know, it looks edgy. I think it looks good, especially if you're trying to grow your hair. What do you think? It looks awesome, right? Awesome. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Sabrina, thank you for being a model. Did you have fun? Awesome, awesome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you get notified when I post videos 3 times a week. And I will see you guys next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.